If a firewall stops communicating with Panorama, you can use the tcpdump command on the management interface of either or both the firewall and Panorama. In my environment, it seems the Chicago firewall has stopped communicating with Panorama. So I'll capture packets first from Panorama and then later from the firewall wall itself. On Panorama in the CLI you use the command tcpdump, and when you run the command you can also use filters to view and capture only those packets of interest. For example, I'll use a filter to capture traffic to and from my Chicago firewall, which is 192, 168, 1.254. I'll enter the command followed by the word filter and then in quotes the word host and the IP address or host name. I don't have to use a filter, but doing so will limit the output to only those packets from Panorama to this specific host. In this example, .254 is my Chicago firewall. When I've captured enough packets, I'll use Ctrl+C to stop the capture. Now I can view the packet capture from the CLI on Panorama using the command view PCEP management PCEP, the name of the file which is management PCEP, and when you take a packet capture on Panorama, the default name of the capture file is mgmt.pcep. You can see the output of the packet capture through the CLI. However, you can also export this ppcep file from Panorama using either SCP or TFTP to a host in your network. I'll export it to my desktop. Now I can locate the file and open it with Wireshark. To me, it's a bit easier to analyze packets in Wireshark than it is the CLI. It's always a good idea to take a packet capture from both Panorama and the firewall itself. But the process of generating, viewing, and exporting a packet on the firewall's management interface is the same as what we've looked at here for Panorama.